If you're looking for something to just even out your skin tone, this product is amazing. It's the Boost by Paula's Choice. It's 10% azelaic acid. I don't even know what that is. But it's called a booster, and you can put it on in the day or in the night, and you want to be wearing a sunblock when you're using this one. But it is amazing. It's supposed to even out your skin tone, and I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I can already see like a major difference. I get a lot of redness around my face, and that's like gone. So my skin tone is evening out, and I'm using it with some of the other Paula's Choice products, but honestly, it's been so great. I'm so glad that I tried this product. So I'll show you guys what it looks like. So it comes out white. Obviously it dries clear, but it's like I wouldn't say it's a thick cream. It's not really a thick cream. It's very, very lightweight, very thin. So you could wear this under your makeup, no problem. It's moisturizing, but I wouldn't call it a moisturizer. And you shouldn't use it as a moisturizer. It's not a moisturizer. So it doesn't have a smell. It's like a very, 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 very faint, tiny bit of a smell. I would say it's unscented. It really doesn't have a smell. But yeah, a little goes a long way with this stuff. I recommend using this if you have uneven skin tone and you just kind of want to like get your skin all evened out again.